Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add neon effect on button hour in Elementor Pro WordPress using custom CSS. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to add flash or lightning effect on button hour in Elementor Pro WordPress. Now click on it. On left side you see content style advanced, so click on advanced. So we are going to add custom CSS. Now scroll down, you see custom CSS, so click on it. So we are going to add, now paste, and you will find all CSS in video description or in comment section. So by using this CSS, we are going to add flash or lightning effect on button hour. So this is a neon effect, and then you see selector A colon hour, you see color white, dark, white, glow. So you can add color scheme according to your requirement, and then you see selector A colon hour animate 2 seconds. So you can add time according to requirement in second, and then you see keyframe animate. Now you see numbers, you see text shadow. So you can adjust this number according to requirement, and then you see glow 160px. You see multiple number for text shadow animation. Now hover on it, and then you see flash effect or neon effect with lightning. Now scroll up, you see this color scheme we added. Again hover on it. Now you see dark white glow, glow red, white, and then yellow, and then click on update, and you will find all CSS in video description or in comment section. Now update done, go to website page and refresh the page. Now hover on it. Now you see flash or lightning effect by using neon effect. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.